Sustainability in the construction industry. Our guest for today is leading a company that aims to promote eco-friendly construction through innovative materials and products. Ria Canlas is the woman behind Po-lite Technology Inc, which developed eco-hollow blocks and eco-couture panel systems for housing. Now, this invention won the Grand Prix Malasakit Award of the Design Center of the Philippines Good Design Awards back in 2019. Ria Canlas joins us now in the program to tell us more about it. Hi, Ria. Good morning. Thank you for joining us.
Good morning, Paolo.
Now, Ria, you are an advocate of sustainability and bridging the housing gaps. Do tell us, what are the challenges to the construction industry? We are, after all, used to working and building in a certain way. We're used to certain materials. How easy is it to switch to more sustainable approaches and more sustainable products?
Well, first, Paolo, we established that construction is booming and this will continue on for years. But this construction boom will have, of course, a hazardous impact to the environment. But apparently, as I felt, most of the companies still in the Philippines are gearing towards profit-oriented, meaning most of the companies are still having a hard time switching on sustainability, perhaps because of, trying to be less traditional. Because with the Po-lite, it is actually the vision of the company to replace about 60% of these conventional materials into sustainable materials. But with the campaign of the UN Sustainable Development Goals 2030, we are actually seeing or envisioning in the next 10 years that most of the construction companies in the Philippines will be switching over to environmental friendly solutions and
That's
are building
fantastic.
construction.
That is great news. And really, with innovative approaches like you have, why not? I mean, take a look at the product that you were showing on screen. Walk us through, what these innovative concrete hollow blocks or alternatives to traditional concrete hollow blocks are. Your eco hollow blocks and eco couture panel system is really quite interesting. Tell us a little bit more about it. What material did you use and how does it address the carbon emission problem?
Yeah, a design mix was developed. This is using hybrid, organic, and natural binders, plus locally sourced natural micro-size geo materials that are non-extractive and are available abundantly in nature. Apparently, Po-lite is not using cement. It's not using cement. It shies away from the extractive industry of cement production. And for all we know, cement contributes to 8% of the carbon dioxide emission in the whole world, and thus eliminating it in the process or in the formula will yield into more than 40% elimination of the carbon dioxide emission and more than also 40% elimination in pollution. So in other words, these natural materials that I use in my product practically give out its natural aesthetic look or beautiful look. The use of green materials to produce various products are also applied in various construction forms, such as in my background, I have the selfie wall tiles that I installed in Manila Life Cafe, and it's also applicable to hollow blocks, to green furniture pieces, and other novelty products. Now, this green composite is called the eco couture because eco stands for ecological, eco-friendly, and economical. For the couture, Paolo, it is actually a fashion designer's product pieces. As you can see in my products, these are instant aesthetics. You can see instant brick look, tile look, or even any colors that you wish you had in your house.
That's fantastic, Ria. It really does look quite innovative. Let's talk a little bit quickly about the advantages of using these eco hollow blocks for housing. Is it stronger than regular hollow blocks? Does it bring the cost down? Overall, I mean, we have to take into consideration also the manpower. I mean, if you have a lighter material, you use less less resources to just move things around. Let's take a look at the bigger picture and talk quickly about the advantages.
Yeah, first of all, it's the cost efficiency. Because of we eliminate the other scope of work, you don't need plastering, you don't need painting, we deliver it ready to install. So therefore, there is a cost reduction of about 25% when compared to ordinary materials. And it also has time efficiency. Because of its tongue and groove connection, it easy aligns and it's a lightweight. You can easily install it, DIY your work. So therefore, it can have about more than 80% reduction in time or construction time. And most especially, the quality efficiency. Because aside from being natural, it is all and lightweight. It is also waterproof, water resistant, fire retardant, chemical resistant, and of course there are designer pieces.
Ria, what a wonderful innovation. It's so inventive, and it really will change the way we go about building. It's about time, I think, we look at new ways of doing things, new approaches, and we really want to thank you for showing us what you guys have come up with. Thank you once again, Ria, for joining us this morning here on New Day.
I wanted to make an impact by solving real problems. Malasakit is not just a branding, but it's actually the way of operation of Po-lite. It's very important now na ngayon we have good design in the Philippines. Ako nga hindi ko nare-realize na I'm doing good design pala. I optimize my products so that it becomes available and affordable to socialized housing. When you use Po-lite blocks, you already eliminate plastering, painting. There's less processes involved in the use of my materials. Yung tibay nandoon, malasakit, safe ka na nakatira ka sa bahay mo. Ang good design also extends beyond its usability. So you're saving the future generation. Technology innovation and design innovation are both keys to economic progress. When we combine them both, there will now be no need to trade beauty with cost or cost with strength.